This is Big Geek and I'm Dan, and in this short video I'm trying out something interesting with camera positioning. You see, I have the camera mounted on this gimbal rig, and it lets me control, with this controller, exactly where it's pointing. Which means I should be able to do more dynamic and interesting movable things. For instance, if I wanted to show you the power supply, you can see the power supply over there. And if I want you to come back to see me over here standing, we return here, all at the touch of a button. Pretty cool. Soon, I want to play with controlling the zoom, but that will have to wait for another day. Thanks for watching, catch you next time.